Hello, teacher. Welcome to Tangerine TV. What will you teach us today? Hello, Sam. Thank you for inviting me to this wonderful channel. I'm so happy to be here. I would like to talk to you about a very important topic. It will help you improve your English. I'm talking about the linking words and phrases in English. Oh, that's a very interesting topic. But why is it important to speak English? Connecting words and phrases in the English language is one area you will need to master as you're learning the language. The English language is difficult, but don't worry, I will help you. Words and phrases need to be connected for a variety of reasons. For example, you may want to make a comparison, contrast, show purpose, or demonstrate condition. Most of the connective words that form the connection are used to join two clauses together or start a new sentence expanding on the previous statement. What I mean is, all sentences in a paragraph need to relate to the main idea in the topic sentence. Linking words and phrases with sentences together to create a cohesive paragraph. Oh, you're right. Okay, give us some examples with linking words, please. Although is a subordinating conjunction that means in spite of the fact that, or even though. For example, you might write, she loved to paint, although she wasn't very good at it. This sentence means the same thing as she loved to paint, in spite of the fact that she wasn't very good at it. I will give you other examples. Although she is old, she can still run far. Remember that usually you're talking about two sentences, so you have to use a comma to separate them. But although he tried to make his voice confident, I could see the terror in his eyes. Another common linking word is even if. It is used to say that if something is the case or not, the result is the same. For example, even if you take a taxi, you'll still miss your train. He's really funny. Even if he's also rather arrogant, you will make a good profit even if rents don't go up. In case. In case is used when we talk about things done right now to prepare for something that might happen in the future. For example, you might want to take flat shoes in case you want to dance later. Or, I used to have the scanners on at night just in case I missed something. Another linking word is in spite of or despite. Despite is a little more formal than in spite of. We usually use in spite of and despite with a noun. For example, he got the job in spite of his prison record. John's company is doing extremely well despite the recession. Or, in spite of, despite the fact she was busy, she still made time to volunteer. So that. So that is far more common than in order that, and in order that is more formal. For example, I'll go buy a car so that I can take more luggage. Or, we left a message with his neighbor so that he could know with cold. One more. He took a large umbrella so that if it rained, he wouldn't get wet. Whatever. Whatever can be a pronoun, a determiner, or an adverb. You use whatever as a pronoun or determiner to refer to anything or everything of a particular kind. I read whatever I could find about the course, or you can rely on me whatever happens. Whereas. We use the conjunction whereas to indicate a contrast between two facts or ideas. For example, he loves foreign holidays, whereas his wife prefers to stay at home. Whereas most new computers have several USB slots, older ones often only had one. As a result, or consequently, it simply means because of something. There has been a great deal of rain, and consequently, the reservoirs are full. As a result of the accident, he suffered permanent brain damage. Another one. The company is growing. Consequently, there will be more jobs on offer. Besides, can be used as a preposition meaning except or in addition to. For example, besides her role as a mother of three, Mary runs a charity and works part time. Or, besides being a fantastic footballer, he's also good at cricket, tennis, and squash. However, or nevertheless, she was running late. However, she stopped for coffee. Nevertheless is an adverb that tells the reader that something happened, even though there is something that might have stopped it from happening. For example, the math test was very difficult. Nevertheless, she earned a good grade. In the same way, likewise, similarly. They are very similar expressions. You use in the same way to introduce a situation that you are comparing with one that you have just mentioned because there is a strong similarity between them. For example, make the drink with boiling water in the same way as tea. He is our friend and likewise our leader. The food was excellent, likewise the wine. He was late and I similarly was delayed. Similarly, business has to enter into agreements. And there are a lot more, more examples of linking words, but we don't have time. Don't worry, you have helped us a lot. We can make another video with linking words. If you also like the idea, please like this video and comment. Take care. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.